Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today we have a really quick Meatball Parm Sub. It's semi-homemade. I didn't make the meatballs, and a lot of the stuff was bought in the store. It's good quality. And actually, to make something tasty for your kids or for yourself, you don't have to spend time in the kitchen making things, making stuff from scratch. You can buy quality, organic, and natural products and put together a quick meal. And with this, you can usually make it in 10 minutes. So for today's recipe, we're going to need the garlic butter. We have these pre-cooked meatballs. These are really good. They're natural. We have these sub rolls that you see all the time. I love these. I hope you can get them in your area. If not, try to find rolls that fit you. Pizza cheese, you can use whatever. And marinara sauce. So the thing we're going to do is we're going to put all this stuff aside. We're going to take one of these rolls, because I'm only going to demonstrate with one. We're going to take one roll and put garlic butter on it. And then we're going to put it in the pan, and we're going to get it brown on both sides and ready for the meatballs. But since these are pre-cooked meatballs, you already have sauce that's made. Like I said, it only takes 10 minutes. Thanks for being here on Friday, and let's take this journey together. Alright, so we have our roll cut open. We have the garlic butter. We're going to put it on both sides, and we're going to then put it right into the pan. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, we took that garlic butter and we put it on that roll. Now we're going to take it to our pan. Just flip that over. Come down to your stove and put it on medium. And like you said in like you've seen in previous videos, keep turning this. And basically brown it to what is best for you. There's no right or wrong answer. You can lightly brown it, or you can really make it dark brown. But it's best just to watch it, and you don't want to do it too much because it'll take away from the flavor. So let's just do this, and then we'll get the meatballs going. And like I said, if we weren't filming this, it probably would take 10 minutes, maybe even 6 minutes. All right, YouTube and Facebook, look how we darken that. That's gonna make a really good taste with this meatballs and pizza cheese. Now the thing we're going to do is, and you really don't have to do this, you could put everything in the microwave or just put it in like a pot and warm it, but I'll show you a different way. Just take like paper towel and wipe this down. You want to try to get rid of the garlic in here. If you really wanted to, you could wash it, and we're going to add some olive oil, and then we'll put the meatballs in there. Alright, so we have our meatballs. And we have our olive oil. I love this squirt bottle. So, just put some olive oil in there. And put this pan on medium. And basically throw in the meatballs that you're gonna use. If you want, you could throw in some garlic, or some fresh garlic, like garlic powder or regular garlic. It's up to you. But put the meatballs you want for here, and just get them in the olive oil. Cover if you want. If you have to, put it on low, and just warm these pre-cooked meatballs up with the olive oil, and actually add some garlic powder to make out for some really good taste. Alright, so we have the olive oil in there. Thing you're going to want to do is just keep turning these meatballs, get them in the olive oil, and it'll warm the meatballs, and it'll give some extra flavor and awaken them. Then the thing you want to do is actually take garlic powder and put some garlic in there. Like I said, if you wanted to use fresh garlic, you can. They make that really good garlic in a jar that you've seen in my previous videos. So just keep turning this. And once we're done, we'll add some of the marinara sauce in there and get that going. Then after that, we'll just make the sandwich, top it with pizza cheese, and then you could either put it in the oven, put it in the microwave, Or if you want it, you could put it in the pan with the cover on with some water in there and use steam to do it. But I'm going to put it in the microwave, but it would probably be best in the oven or in a toaster oven. Alright YouTube, so you can see that I stirred them around a bit and they got coated in olive oil, and it just adds for an extra taste. You really don't have to do this, but you can make it taste better. So now put your pan on low and throw in some marinara sauce. And just stir that, and once we're done, we'll make the sandwich. Alright YouTube and Facebook, you can see I got the sauce on the one side and I got some reserve sauce. Keep that on low. We're going to put the meatballs on, and if you wanted to, you could use the reserve sauce to put on top of the sandwich. If not, you could just put it back in your jar and use this for another day. So we're almost there. Alright, so we got our sandwich there. Start by taking some sauce and just lightly brush that. Like, the meatballs are going to have you know, sauce on there, so there's no reason to go crazy. If you want, you could put some sauce on the top. It's all up to you. Then after that, just start putting your meatballs on your sandwich. Of course, if you want to, you could use meatballs that are bigger. But this sandwich I have, the rolls are not too big. So yeah, just basically put the meatballs on that you want. And like I said, there's the reserve of meatballs and sauce. Alright, so we have the meatballs on there. If you want it, you could put more sauce across there. Because you see how my pan is? I got a lot more sauce, and I actually have more meatballs. But for this sandwich, this is pretty good. I don't want to put too much sauce on there, so I'm going to leave it off of here, but you can. Next is to put the pizza cheese on there, and then we'll put the top on, and then we're done. And that's how you make a quick semi-homemade meatball sub at home. Alright, so you can see that cheese is on there. Now I'm going to flip on the top. If you wanted to, you don't even have to melt it, but let's melt it and then we're done. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, that's how you make a semi-homemade meatball sub in less than 10 minutes. If you want it, you could use a harder roll, but look at the gooey cheese in there. Look at that cheese. So, thanks for visiting my channel. This is Friday's upload in 10K. See you next week. Be safe. Enjoy the weekend. Bless you. Love you. Bye-bye, Dansoy.